Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tokyo Talk. I'm Mai, and today we're exploring the word preeminent.
And I'm Jack. Today's word, preeminent, is perfect for discussing excellence and superiority. It's a powerful word with specific uses.
That's right. Preeminent means superior to or notable above all others in a particular sphere or field. What makes someone preeminent in their work, Jack?
Well, a preeminent person has unquestionable expertise and influence. Like in AI research, pioneers who revolutionize the field are considered preeminent figures.
Jack just mentioned the word pioneers, which refers to people who are among the first to explore or develop something new. How would you use preeminent in a sentence?
You could say, Dr. Tanaka is the preeminent scholar in quantum physics in Japan. This means she's recognized as the very best in her field nationally. What about you, Mai?
I might say John Coltrane remains a preeminent figure in jazz saxophone. In my jazz studies, his innovations transformed how we approach improvisation. The word really emphasizes his towering importance.
That's a perfect example. Just like in travel, certain destinations become preeminent for specific experiences. Kyoto is preeminent for traditional Japanese culture. Does preeminent have antonyms?
Yes, antonyms would include inferior, insignificant, or minor. Also, mediocre, which means of only ordinary or moderate quality. Now, let's discuss how preeminent differs from similar words.
Great idea. Let's start with distinguished. While preeminent means someone is the absolute best, distinguished means highly respected or accomplished. The difference is subtle but important.
Exactly. You might be a distinguished professor with impressive achievements, but not necessarily the preeminent scholar in your field. Distinguished focuses more on recognition than inherent superiority.
Another similar word is foremost, meaning first in position or importance. What's the difference between foremost and preeminent, Mai?
Foremost emphasizes ranking or position, like the foremost item on our agenda. Preeminent emphasizes exceptional quality and distinction. It's more about excellence than order.
That clarifies it well. How about eminent? I often hear that term in academic circles when traveling to international conferences.
Eminent describes someone well-known and respected, like an eminent scientist. Preeminent goes further to suggest they're the very best in their field. It's a matter of degree.
That's helpful. Let's look at prominent. If I describe someone as a prominent AI researcher versus a preeminent AI researcher, what's the difference?
Prominent means standing out or widely known, like a researcher frequently in the news. Preeminent specifically indicates they're regarded as the best in their field, not just visible.
I see. Speaking of standing out, Mai, I heard you played at that jazz club last weekend. Any progress on finding a boyfriend there? Those saxophone skills must attract some attention.
Very funny, Jack. My saxophone playing might be improving, but my dating life isn't preeminent in any way. Let's get back to our word. How would you compare preeminent and premier?
Premier often means first in order or importance, like the premier issue of a magazine. Preeminent suggests unquestioned superiority. Premier is about position. Preeminent is about distinction.
Perfect explanation. Let's review what we've learned. Preeminent describes someone or something superior to all others in a particular sphere. Can you give us one more example, Jack?
Sure. We could say Tokyo is the preeminent city for blending ultra-modern and traditional culture. It's not just a good or important city. It's unmatched in this specific quality.
That's correct. To review, She is a preeminent researcher in quantum computing. This means she's recognized as truly outstanding. She is a leading researcher would be less emphatic.
Exactly. Dr. Suzuki is a preeminent authority on climate change. This emphasizes his undisputed expertise. Dr. Suzuki is a respected authority on climate change, communicates less distinction.
Thank you all for listening to Tokyo Talk. Remember, preeminent is reserved for the very best in a field or domain. We hope you'll try using this powerful word in your conversations.
That's all for today. Join us next time for another fascinating word exploration. Until then, keep practicing your English. This is Jack and Mai signing off.